Hey, it's Drew, and today I want to tell you all about what we've been building at Opacity. It's way past time that you all know what we've been up to these last few months. So let's start with why we're building Opacity. As a designer and as an engineer, I was always frustrated with spending a bunch of time designing something the exact way I want it, only to then have to redo it in code. And as a manager, there's really no good way for design teams to work together. Engineers have GitHub and PRs, designers have nothing. So I started Opacity to solve those two huge problems. And just like you, I've seen the world change with the introduction of AI tooling. And so that's driven us to dream even bigger than just building a design tool. We're building an entire software platform. Opacity is a new software design, development, and deployment platform that gives your team a workforce of autonomous agents to help you build and scale software products and businesses. We think in the very near future, a serious company will no longer need to look like a tenured ex-Google PhD with 20 crack devs. It could be a small team with many AI agents. Opacity enables this future. Our platform can take you from just an idea all the way to stable production software with millions of users. We're doing things a bit differently. So what makes Opacity different? Well, first, we're full stack. We handle everything from the blank slate to app design, to app building, to infrastructure, to deployments, even managing customers. Opacity is visual first. And that means while most everyone else is building a code-first tool or platform, we're giving people a way to build software without having to dive into code right away. Opacity is also autonomous. Our AI agents will work autonomously and continuously to help grow your business and keep your software stable. And Opacity is built for software businesses. Our platform and products are built for teams that want to build and scale software businesses. Opacity is for teams that want to build the next breakout company. Building on Opacity means your software has best practices built in, it's stable at scale, and we do this by bringing determinism to our AI agents and providing our own development framework called Opaque, built specifically for this purpose. So let's dive into how we've built Opacity. We'll cover the 5 most important pillars on our platform. From the beginning, we wanted to make Opacity a very collaborative tool. That means real time. Work with AI and teammates on the same projects and see changes happening in real time. Branches let you create Git-like branches for any work you do, ensuring all your changes are isolated and don't immediately affect production. This goes beyond code, to design, to product choices, to everything. Pull requests. Yes, the almighty PR. Have your teammates and AI review your work with a pull request directly inside Opacity. They can easily see a diff of all your changes you've made and comment on your work. Once approved, your branch and changes are merged into the main branch and ready for production. This goes far beyond the world of code. Anything in Opacity is branchable. And of course, invites. Invite anyone in your team and organization, giving them custom permissions and roles. You can even create a list of maintainers, which are team members whose approval is required to merge any branches into production. And the Opacity community is where you'll connect with others to share and sell the design systems, apps, and other things that you're making. And now let's talk about our app builder. Your mission and vision. It all starts here. The most impactful companies align themselves with a mission and vision. Opacity uses this to help you build differentiated and purpose-driven products. Our brand builder makes it super easy to build or generate a full-featured brand and design system. From logo to colors to spacing, typography, Opacity gives you the tools to build and refine your own category-defining brand. And our product builder lets you build or generate your product visually. Our AI will use your brand and company's mission and vision to build a unique product that is both on brand and aligned with your mission. And we give you full control. Build your product using AI or completely manually. Opacity gives you all the tools you need to visually build software. And next, let's dive into what started it all, our canvas. Our infinite canvas is built on real web technology, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which ensures that there is no need to translate design to code ever. Elements on the canvas already are production code. Never code out a design again. And no more burning tokens daily just to turn canvas visuals into code. And again, you get full control. You can manually tweak your UI. What you see in the canvas is exactly what you get in production. And it's real HTML. Elements on the canvas are actual HTML. Add block elements, form elements, SVGs, iframes, and more. Our variable system is pretty incredible. Create and power your designs with real code variables. Canvas variables are real CSS and JavaScript variables. and they're fully available in code as well. Components are an incredible way to build software. And in Opacity, you can create reusable designs with components and component instances. And props. Yes, props. Pass data into component instances by creating typed props. Use these props directly in the canvas or in code. It's pretty amazing. And the variant system lets you create any number of component variants and easily switch between them in the canvas and in code. And our slotting system is super easy to use. Go beyond props and variants and put anything you want into your components with slots. Drag and drop easy. Pseudostates in CSS are incredible, and they're built into Opacity's canvas. Easily style hover, active, focus, and other pseudostates directly on the canvas, manually or with AI. Shaders are all the rage these days, and just like you, we think they're pretty incredible. So you can compose custom shaders, static or animated, by stacking multiple shader effects, and they're all available on the canvas and in your code base. And next up is vector. And let me tell you, this vector system is like nothing you've ever seen. As a matter of fact, it's so good, we're making a completely dedicated video just for this system. It's a completely custom vector engine and vector editor built directly into the canvas. The vectors that you create are actual SVGs, and I just cannot wait for you to try this out. And now, let's talk about Opaque. Opaque is a new development framework built by us at Opacity. Used by Opacity itself and any app built with Opacity to define the application schema, to read and write data. It's a massively scalable, real-time, local-first, event-driven sync engine that manages all your data and runs on both your client and your server. Opaque is local-first, meaning all operations work completely offline. And when a client reconnects to the internet, all data is synced to and from all the other clients, and all events are fully resolved. It's real time, meaning WebSockets are built into the core of Opaque, which means every client has access to all appropriately scoped data in real time, enabling a whole new class of software that needs to display user activity in real time. And yes, that means your app too. Opaque is an event-driven data store built with CRDT-like technology. That means you don't need a traditional database. Opaque is your data store, and it's backed by PlanetScale, the same database technology that powers YouTube. Every app you build on Opacity automatically gets bundled with Opaque, meaning any app you build can be real-time, local first and offline, offer Git-like functionality like branching, and handle massive scale on the edge. And finally, let's talk about Interfacer, our human-to-machine interface. Anthropic has Claude, and Opacity has Interfacer. Operators are Opacity's set of AI agents, each with their own focus and persona that autonomously research, fix issues, monitor growth, and execute product goals for you. The product manager operator is an agent whose entire purpose is to maintain and improve your product. It also ensures that all new features align with your business's mission and vision. The engineer operator works through all tickets assigned to it by the product manager to fix bugs, add features, ensure the product code is secure and performant. The customer support operator assesses customer issues, files tickets for the product manager operator, and follows up with customers when issues are fixed. The bug monitor operator is an agent who monitors your server and client logs 24/7 to detect issues in real time, even before your customers report them. They'll create work tickets for the product manager and engineer operators. The market researcher operator actively monitors your market for new trends and business and product opportunities. They'll propose new features and create work tickets for the product manager and engineer operators. And now let's talk about Orchestrator, our AI orchestration system and agent harness. Orchestrator's gating and scoring system, or thinking, allows our agents to work together collaboratively, gating their work against our strict quality scoring rules. And we've been working hard to bring some determinism back to AI. Orchestrator ensures that agent work is programmatically imported into Opacity without ever employing AI or burning tokens, making it possible to build both visually and with lower token spend. And that wraps up our look at Opacity. As you can see, it's quite ambitious. And just like you, we've seen AI completely rewrite the rules on how to build software. It's even rewriting the rules on technical roles. What is a designer? What is an engineer? What is a product person? We still think that building software should be fun, and we think that there should be more founders in the world. And Opacity is the platform that enables the future where anyone can build a software business. So thanks for watching. We can't wait to share Opacity with you. And if you haven't yet, go sign up at opacity.com.